So I'm at the Amy Weingartner Peninsula Preserve, and this is the Whitehead trail that takes you down on a peninsula on the Lake Monroe. Now, on the other side of Lake Monroe is Deem Wilderness, where I like to backpack. The place is awesome. It's already 8:30 in the morning and 60 degrees out, so it's perfect. So, see how this trail goes. Getting windy, but it's a good kind of wind, you know. It's not cold. So, I'll take it. Man, it feels so good out. What's awesome about this trail is it's closed on weekends and holidays, apparently. Since I don't like going to places on the weekends because it's so freaking busy, I like that. And today is like Tuesday. There's no one out here. It's fantastic. If you want to come here, you gotta come on a weekday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That is awesome. There's an off trail here. Doesn't show it on the map though, so I'm not gonna take it. I don't want to get in trouble with the Sycamore Land Trust. I see the end. Right there. Right when you get to the lake. Right there. Taking this trail all the way to the end here because it was over there, but then there was another trail that came around, and this looks like a much better spot. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at this. So Deem Wilderness is over there, and that's where this is the peninsula. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see right there, and it comes all the way over here. You can actually go back in the videos that I've made. I've backpacked over there before and stayed on the Peninsula Trail a couple times, so check that out. I think I posted those last year, so one of my favorite places to backpack. Again, don't get to do it often, but when I do, it's fantastic. So this is an awesome trail, especially since you don't have to walk 5 miles and Deem to get over here and look at the views. Now I'm bummed that I didn't bring my hammock. I would have set it up like right here. Just hung up a little bit. time to head back, even though I'm not ready to leave. Coming back up that hill kicked my butt. I heavily considered sitting down for a second. It was a little rough. For the most part, this trail is super easy. It's wide, but you go up and down a couple times. And hopefully that was the worst one, because coming here wasn't that bad. But heading out, spoke too soon. We got more uphill. Oh man. That bitch is looking mighty fine right now. You wouldn't even know that this trail is here because it's in like a residential neighborhood. Like, it's a big house right there. I don't know how to tell that little guy. He probably isn't going to make it up that hill. I love turtles. Like, I sat here and watched this guy for a few minutes. He's making it up that hill. Good for him. Made it. There's the car. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're considering this trail, remember that it is closed on weekends and holidays. And if you're trying to beat the crowds this spring and summertime, check out the Sycamore Land Trust website. Check out some of the preserves that they offer. Usually you're going to experience a lot less people. However, the parking lots are a lot smaller, so definitely get there early. And again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, see you guys in the next one.